So let's see this about love. There's so much we could say, but I want to see this because of what this passage says. Love seeks the best of the beloved. Love seeks the best of the beloved. You see, God's kind of love that we're starting to learn about here inside of this verse. For God so loved the world. This is how God showed he loved the world, that he gave. He didn't give a small thing. He didn't give a temporary thing. He gave his only Son, the second member of the Trinity. The Son of God is incarnated. He gives his Son so that we might see his love and believe in him. God's kind of love becomes a form of commitment to, a form of attachment to. When God loves the world, he seeks the best of the world. So he commits himself to the best of the world. So we learn in our love, when we are attached to someone that we love, we're learning that what that means is it entails a commitment to the best of that person or of those people. We seek the best of the beloved. It's a form of commitment, and it entails an act of sacrifice. For God so loved the world that he gave his only Son. And we know, many of us know the rest of the story. This doesn't just mean the incarnation and the Christmas story. It means the cross and the Easter story as well. Love entails sacrifice for the sake of the good of the other.